After all of the rallies and protests, family and friends of Andrew Lee Scott are obviously upset about these findings, but they say their fight for justice isn't over.
It just hurts me that, we're supposed to be protected by the sheriff's department, and then we end up getting hurt by them.
Those who knew 26-year-old Andrew Lee Scott are outraged about FDLE's findings that the actions of the Lake County Sheriff's deputy were justified after he shot and killed a Leesburg man when deputies knocked on the wrong door looking for another man in July.
He only cared about protecting his family, and I just think the whole thing's wrong and blown out of proportion, and they should have announced themselves.
But according to the state attorney's office, the sheriff's office wasn't required to announce themselves because they didn't enter forcibly. Scott family attorney Mark NeJame disagrees.
Now, if you are going to arm yourself when you're pounding on a door, that suggests that you're seeking a forceful entry.
Justice for Drew!
Despite several protests and rallies by Scott's family and friends, the deputy involved will not face criminal charges. The report also identified inconsistencies made by Scott's girlfriend, who was there the night he was shot, something NeJame argues is expected.
Who would not have some minor discrepancies? How was the gun lower or higher? That's a natural, normal thing.
Still, the Lake County Sheriff's spokesman says the report confirms their initial findings from the very start.
The deputy took the action he did as a last resort and only to defend himself and the other deputies at the scene.
And NeJame says Scott's family is devastated about this report, but he says it still won't impact their civil suit, which they plan on filing in a few weeks. Reporting in the studio, Tiffany Teasley, Fox 35 News.